Welcome to Learning with Sri. In today's video, we shall learn about square numbers. What is a square number? A square number is a number which is multiplied by itself. That is, if x is a number, then the square of x is x square. X multiplied by x is x square. 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So, square of 3 is 9. 11 square means 11 multiplied by 11. Square of 11 is 121. So, you can define a square number as the square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. Alternatively, you can also say that the square of a number is obtained by raising the number to the power of 2. You can see 3 square, 3 is raised to the power of 2, which gives you 9. So, you can say that these numbers are square numbers. And these are also called as perfect squares because they are multiplied by themselves. 17 square is 289. 17 multiplied by itself gives you 289. 25 square is 625. 25 multiplied by 25. You can also have different square numbers like 36. Yes, 36 is a square number because it is multiplied by 6 into 6. 100 is also a square number. 100 is 10 square. So like this, you can define square numbers as those numbers which are multiplied by themselves. That means they can be expressed as the product of pairs of equal factors. Equal factors in the sense 17 into 17, 25 into 25. These are equal factors. Now let us check if a number is a perfect square or not. You can check by using the process of prime factorization. Now for an example, let us take the number 1296 and check whether it is a perfect square or not. Now 1296 is an even number. So it is divisible by 2 and you get 648. And 648 is also divisible by 2, so you get 324. In the same way, you keep on dividing with 2 until you get a number. Now here in this process of prime factorization, we are using only prime numbers. The name itself suggests you prime factorization means finding the factors through prime numbers. Now when 162 is divided by 2, you get 81. But 81 is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3, so 3 times of 27 gives you 81. And so you continue the process to get the equal factors. Now let us arrange all these factors as pairs. 2 multiplied by 2 is a pair. Pair means 2. So let's arrange all these factors as the product of pair numbers. So we are pairing over here. And what did you observe? Is there any number that is unpaired? No. You can see that all these numbers are paired up and there is no number left over. So you can say that 1296 is a perfect square. And what is its square? Yes, it is 36 square. 36 into 36 gives you 1296. So by using this prime factorization method, you can easily check whether a given number is a perfect square or not. And if it is a perfect square, you can also find its square number. Now let us see another example, 3200. Now 3200 is an even number. You may be thinking that all even numbers can be perfect squares. No, not necessary. So it can be a even number, but it may not be a perfect square. Now let us move on to this process of prime factorization for this 3200. 2 times 1600 gives you 3200 because 2 into 16 gives 32. Continue this process of prime factorization and let us arrange all these prime factors as pairs as we did the previous sum. So 2 times 50 gives 100 and 2 times 25 is 50 and 5 into 5 is 25. Now after arranging all these numbers as product of equal factors, that means writing them as pairs, you can observe that there is one number left over, that is 2. Yes, so there is no pair for this number. So you can say that 2 is left unpaired, so that is why 3200 is not a perfect square. So you can easily understand that on grouping the prime numbers or prime factors into pairs of equal factors, if you are left with any factor which is not paired, then you can say that the given number is not a perfect square. So 3200 is not a perfect square because 2 is unpaired. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood well what are square numbers. In our next video, we shall learn more about the properties of square numbers. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.